Public School. Today we will be discussing math subject for first standard. Okay, the lesson which we are going to discuss today is lesson number 3, digits. Fine children. Okay, digits, the word digits mean numbers. Okay, digits mean numbers. We will deal with the numbers from 1 to 9, right? Okay, so in this we have the subunits, that is the numbers from 1 to 9, okay, counting the numbers, writing them, and the second unit we have identifying the numbers, the quantity which is more and which is less. The third subunit is read and writing the numbers, reading and writing the numbers, the way of writing it, okay. And the fourth subunit is big and small numbers, okay, which are the big numbers, which are the small numbers, comparison of numbers. And the fifth one is the numbers which come before, the numbers which come between, and the numbers which come after a number. Okay, so today's class will be dealing with all these units, right? Okay. The first unit is numbers 1 to 9. How you will count the numbers? Suppose if this is a circle, okay, so how many circles are there? So if you count, it will be only 1. So next I am going to draw is a triangle. So how many triangles are there? Okay, so this is a 2 triangles because we count it as 1 and 2. This is 2 triangles. It is 2 in the numbers. So next one I am going to draw a figure, that is a box. Okay, how many boxes are there? There are 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes. Okay, so the next one I am going to write a letter T. So how many T's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So on you will count the numbers and you will write it here in the form of numbers, in the form of digits. Okay, this is called counting and writing the numbers. So it will go on till the number 9 also. So in 9, for example, how many you have? If you go on like this, so this is 5, 6, 7 and 8, and for 9, suppose you take a like a cylindrical box, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9. So this will be 9, counting it, counting the objects and writing the numbers. This is 9, it comes to the number 9. So what is the next thing? What is this 9? 9 is a digit. It is the greatest single digit number. It is the greatest single digit number. It is 9. And which is the smallest 2-digit number? It is 10. This is the greatest single digit number. Greatest single digit number, and this is the smallest, okay, 2-digit, smallest 2-digit number. Okay, so after 9 you have 10, 11, that is 2-digit numbers. So 9 is the greatest single digit, and which is the smallest single digit number? It is 1, isn't it? So we have numbers 1 to 9 here, isn't it? So in these numbers, the smallest single digit number is 1 and the greatest single digit number is 9. Okay, so this is all about the numbers from 1 to 9, counting the numbers from 1 to 9. Now we'll move on to the second subunit, that is identifying numbers. Identifying numbers. So here, taking this as the same example, okay, more and less. So for example, if I have 5 triangles here, okay, if we have 2 triangles here and if we have 5 here, So which is in more quantity? Which is in more quantity here? Okay, suppose if you have two triangles this side and five triangles this side, so which is the more quantity and which is the less quantity here? So if we counted 1, 2, these are two triangles, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 triangles, isn't it? So here, by seeing the quantity, by seeing the number of objects, you can tell which is more and which is less. So this is more quantity, okay, and this is the less quantity of objects, less number of objects. So you count it, you then write the number, and then you will compare it, okay, this and this, and you will tell which is less and which is more, okay. Similarly, if I give you another example, that is so these are the circles here, and some more objects if we give here, okay. So now which is more and which is less? First what you will do to find out that which is more, which is less, first we will count the number of objects. So here I am counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 objects here, okay, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 objects here, okay. So which is the greatest number here? 10 is the greatest number, then 6, isn't it? So here these objects are more, okay, and these objects are less. Got it, children? Okay, so first you need to count the number of objects, then only you can decide which is more and which is less. Understood? Okay. So moving on to the third subunit, that is reading and writing the numbers. So how you will read the numbers and how you will write it. So first one is 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the numbers written numerically, okay, it is in order. Then how you will write the numbers in words and how you do it, read it out. This is ONE 1. I am writing it in the words. It is ONE 1, and this is TWO2. Okay, TWO2. This is THREE 3. Okay, and similarly this is FOUR4. This is FIVE5. This is XIX6. This is SEVEN7. This is EIGHT8. This is NINE9. So this way you are going to write the numbers in words, and these are the numbers written numerically in the digit form. Okay. So this is words and this is numbers written in digits. Understood, children? So ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9. Understood? Okay, now we'll move on to the fourth subunit. So now, what is the fourth subunit saying? Big and small numbers. How you can make out the big and small numbers, how we can compare. For example, you have 4 and you have a 7 here. So among these two numbers, which is the big number and which is the small number? So we all know that 4 is smaller than 7. So this is the small number and this is the big number. So now like this you can make out which is the number, because if we know the numbers in order, that is 1 to 9, then only we can make which is the small number and which is the big number here. Okay, then another example, 6 and okay, so this is the Now in this two numbers, we are discussing about the big and small numbers. Now between these two numbers, which is the biggest number and which is the smallest number? Here, when 6 and 2 is given, we all know that 6 will be a big number and 2 is a small number. Okay? So, between 6 and 2, 6 is a big number and 2 is a small number. When we have to know the order of the number for this, we should know the order of the number. And these numbers, if you add 1 to 1, okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. It will go on like that, okay. The number 1, if it is added, it will increase one number. It will increase one number. So if you know this order of this number, naturally we can make out which is the big and which is the small number. Okay, children? Okay, move on to the next unit, that is the numbers which comes before, the numbers which come between and the numbers which come after. Okay, so suppose if I give you a number that is 6, and what is the number after 6? What is the number after 6? This is 7. How it is 7? Just you have to add one number to this given number. If you add one number to the given number, you will get the number which is after that. Okay? So suppose if I give you 5, what is the number after 5? It is 6. Just you are adding one number to 5. One number you are adding, 1. Okay? So suppose if I give you 4. So what is the next number after that? It is 5. Just add 1 to 4. You will get the next number. Similarly, when how to find out the number before? Okay, how to find out a number before? Then you subtract 1 from that. You will get a number before that. Here you have to add 1. Here you should subtract 1. Okay. So when 2 is minus 1 is subtracted from 2, we get 1. Okay. That is the number before 2. Similarly, like 7, what is the number before 7? It is nothing but 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. The number which comes before 7 is 6. How you got that? Because you are taking one number from that. It is one number less. Okay, you are subtracting minus 1. Understood? For example, before 8, what is the number you are getting? It is 7. Okay. So similarly, the between how you will do? So this is okay after. This is before and this is between. Okay, this is between. So here how you can make out the between? So what is the number which comes in between 6 and 8? Here also what you can do is either you can add 1 to this number or you can subtract 1 from this number. Okay, which is the easiest method you can do? 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Or 8 minus 1 is 7. That also you can do, both the methods. Okay. So here I will give 5. So what is the number here? It is 5 plus 1 is 6. Or 7 minus 1 is 6. Understood? Okay, then next one. So what number should come here between 4 and 6? It is 5 because you are adding one number here or you are removing one number from here. Okay? It is like that. This is after, before and between. Okay, children? Okay, so these were the units discussed in today's unit. Okay? So hope you all have understood this. Thanks for watching us.